Welcome to the RMail video training series. In this video, we are going to review the RSign templates feature in the RMail app for Outlook. In this example, Lucas is sending Alice a document to electronically sign using the RMail ePaper feature. He composes a message and presses the Send Registered button and selects the eSign service to send the document for signature. Before pressing the Send button, he thinks it might be better to use the RSign service because the document is complex and has many forms and fields. So he simply clicks the templates link in the eSign section of the feature pop-up. After pressing the templates link, a new tab on his browser opens up and automatically logs him into the RSign service, where he can upload the document, prepare it, and send it out for signature. Be sure to watch other RMail and RSign training videos to learn more about this and other features. Thank you.